Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing their new and improved camping lantern and LED headlamp from Vont. Let's get to it. Now, like I mentioned, these two are new and improved because about a year or so ago, the company from Vont contacted me to try their camping lantern and their LED headlamp. As you can see, I've used it quite extensively that I've actually broken it off. Regardless, they made quite a lot of improvements. I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you guys can see the differences, especially when it comes to the lantern. I mean, they have overhauled the entire lantern. It's amazing, and it's good value for money. So let me bring you guys in closer. Okay, everybody. So right here, I have in front of me their new LED rechargeable headlamp and their new and improved camping lantern. As you guys can see, there's a few differences I'm gonna show you guys. This is their new one. It's got a lot of features. It's got a handle up here. It's got their original handle from the top, and it opens the same. And as you guys will see, this is actually a lot brighter. The new one is a lot better than the old one. This is the older one, which I've used extensively for the past few years. I mean, look at that. And look how bright this one is. Woo, you can definitely see a difference in that. And that's where the similarities end when it comes into the lantern. The lantern itself also comes with a top flashlight on the top. It's got a button up here. If you press it, turns it on. You press it again. Then you have the panic button for the red light and the SOS, which is pretty cool. It uses the same 3 AA batteries, and the package comes with 2 of them. As you guys can see, there's an extra one here and an extra pair of batteries that come with it. That's actually pretty neat. And at the bottom, we got hooks. So you can actually, let's say on the tent, I have a tent outside. I'll show you guys that at nighttime. You get to hang it, and it can hang upside down on a tent. And at the same time, you have a magnet at the bottom that allows you to attach it to the side of a car or things of that nature. So now, the similarities of the old LED headlamps are, well, they're identical. They turn the same way. You press once, press again, and it flashes. If you press it and hold it for like 3 seconds, the red light comes on. Now, if you notice closely, you notice that the amount of lumens that these headlamps provide, this is the new one, this is the old one. You guys can see a small difference of basically more lumens, more brightness, which is kind of cool. All right, now a little bit more information about the LED headlamp. The LED headlamp, the original one, had 3 AAA batteries. This one is rechargeable. It uses a USB-C. It actually comes with the cord itself. Each packet comes with 2, and each one comes with its own cord. So you can actually use your cell phone's brick charger, or perhaps a battery backup, something of that nature, and you can plug it in, and it charges up. Well, right now it is daytime, so I will not be able to go outside just as of yet. So I can show you guys how these perform outside. I just want to test this out, so you guys can see, because it adjusts. You can actually adjust the level where you're actually aiming at. I'm telling you, value for money. These things are amazing. I've had these other 2 for a year now, and I've taken them camping with multiple times, and they've done their job. And now they have improved it. There's one more thing I want to mention. These both come with an IPX5 and IPX4. In a nutshell, it'll handle dirt, it'll handle debris, it'll handle some drizzle and some rain just fine. However, they cannot be fully submerged underwater. Just want to give you a heads up. Their IPX rating is good. It'll handle, again, when you're outside, dew, humidity, drizzle, rain, it'll handle it. Some mud, but not fully submerged. Just want to give you guys a heads up. So right now, it's probably 5 o'clock p.m. I still got about 2 or 3 hours before nighttime falls, because I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna take out my tent and show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. That's coming up next. All right, so right now in my backyard, I finished setting up the tent for tonight, so show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. But I want to show you guys the magnets to show you how it works. Check this out. I think that's pretty cool, man. It just stays there. It just does. You light it up. Let me show you. Let me pull it out. There you go. You pull it out and it lights up. I'm gonna show you what it looks like at night, of course. But since I needed some daylight so you guys can see what it looks like when it's actually attached to a surface. I think that'll work great on a pickup truck, on the side of a van or a car. That'll also work. All right, here we go. Alrighty, everybody, right now nighttime has arrived and I'm currently in my backyard in front of my fire pit, and I'm gonna show you guys first the lantern, how it looks like at nighttime. This is the original one they sent me over a year ago, and this is their new one. It's a huge difference. I love it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I attach it into the wall over here. Show you guys. There it is, attached into a metal wall, like in a car or something of that nature. You can put it in. Now my tent is over here. You guys can barely see it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lantern inside the tent so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so here it is. It literally illuminates the entire tent, and this is a 6-person tent, so it's not considered a small tent. It's actually quite big. So it's illuminating entirely. Let me switch you guys to wide angle quick. There you go. You guys can see a bit more. Huh? It hacks on the hook like that. I like it a lot. You can close it. There you go. It's closed. So I have to use both hands. And you pull on it. Turn it on. Not bad. All right. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys the flashlight capability. Just gonna press it on. Actually quite decent, considering it has multiple uses, this lantern. It makes it quite versatile having this capability of a standalone flashlight. And here's a long distance. It illuminates quite well. I mean, very good. Let me see what it looks like with the red button, with the red flashing light. Huh? That's what it looks like, and that's the SOS one. So if you happen to find yourself in a position where you need to alert or let everybody know where you're at, this will definitely do it. Oh yes. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is the LED headlamp. This is the original one they sent me, and this is their new one. New? Oh. The lumens are a little brighter. I mean, there's not like huge difference, but I can tell the difference of it. And the same thing can be said with the red light. I just turned on the red light. This is the original one, and this is the new one. It's brighter, but ever so slightly, not by a huge difference, but noticeable up close. Okay, so right now I got the headlamp on my head at the moment. I want you guys to see how much it illuminates. In my forehead, and it illuminates a wide area. And compared to the lantern, what is more focused, this one spreads the lumens a little bit wider, on a wider range. That's pretty good. All right, so in conclusion, what I have to say, considering that I've been able to try both their products from the past and their current lineup, I gotta say I am impressed, specifically with the lantern. The lantern has been the one that has gone through the most changes, from a simple little lantern that just turns on into a much brighter and versatile lantern. I think that's pretty cool. I love it. I really did enjoy it, and I actually like the idea that they went with giving this a rechargeable battery. This one, although it only uses AAA batteries, considering the path the engineers are taking in the future with this product, I will not be surprised if eventually this switches into rechargeable battery and complete IPX protection. I'm looking forward to it. However, that being said, value for money, I believe these are going for 20 bucks each, and each one comes with a pair. I say it's good value for the money. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative. I will include links to this product in Vont's Amazon store below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.